petrochemical plants don't compromise on safety or quality in their high-temperature and high-pressure operations. MetalTek's advanced heat-resistant alloys exceed OEM design standards and promote longer life and decreased downtime for fabricated assemblies operating in furnace temperatures exceeding 2100 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 years or more. Our integrated manufacturing expertise includes centrifugal casting at Wisconsin Centrifugal and sand casting at Carondelet. These state-of-the-art facilities enable MetalTek to provide a wide range of critical petrochemical components for planned and unplanned needs such as ethylene cracking furnace coils, steam methane reformer tubes, a full range of fittings, as well as tube sheets and related equipment. We don't stop there. Machining, tight tolerance fabrication, and quality assurance take place on-site to ensure compliance with the strictest customer demands. At hundreds of customer facilities, MetalTek's alloy and manufacturing process expertise push the limits of material performance and help decrease downtime for the world's leading petrochemical corporations. Contact MetalTek to learn more.